All right, guys. So I needed a new uh, burner tube for my grill. I love the grill, and so I do it all the time. And um, you know, during the wintertime, I don't cut it on a lot just because it's cold outside. And so I kind of was letting it sit. And then when I first tried to use it the first few times, it just wasn't burning. Like my flames weren't burning evenly. Like one side would be high flames, the other side would be low flames. And so when that happens, usually you need a new grill burner. And so I got this one from Amazon, and it came quickly. It's stainless steel, and um, I've ordered this before. I've had my Weber grill for a long time, and so this is not the first time I'm ordering this part. But what I can say is that they last a very, very long time. They last a very, very long time. So you don't. It's not like you need to replace them often. I just love to stick by my same grill. I probably need to buy a new grill. I've had it for years. So, but this one is this burner tube is always consistent. And once it's the perfect replacement. And once you replace it, it keeps the flames even and all of that good stuff. So, great material, again, stainless steel, and all of that. So if you guys, if you run into the issue of, your flames being flamed out or anything like that, I would highly suggest to try a new grill burner too. All right, peace out.